Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the bank transfer UTR. Copy it exactly because Phonepe and banks match character for character. Once done, open Phonepe and go straight to history or bank account where transfers are logged. You need payer or payee name, account number, IFSC, amount, and date handy. These let you search or attach the UTR. Do this now so you don't interrupt the flow. It saves time and prevents mismatched records when you move to the next step. You'll now attach the UTR to the specific transaction entry. Open the transaction, choose Report Issue or any field labeled Add UTR, and paste the copied UTR exactly. Once pasted, also confirm date and amount fields match the bank record because discrepancies delay reconciliation. If you initiated a manual bank transfer outside Phonepe, put the UTR in transfer notes or send it to the receiver. This is how the receiving party links the credit to the right account. Make sure formatting has no extra spaces. You finish by verifying the transaction status in Phonepe and cross-checking your bank statement for settlement. Once done, if the entry isn't reconciled, contact Phonepe support and give them the UTR, a screenshot of the bank SMS or statement, the amount, date, and last 4 digits of the account. This speeds up tracing. If things go wrong, don't panic. Wait about 24 hours for interbank settlement, and then escalate to your bank with the same UTR details if no progress has been made.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.